No running. There's Mama. And there's Papa. Oh, this is for you. Look here, River. Come here. Let me see you close up. Are you wet?
Yeah.
Are you just a little wet? Come a little closer. Let's see. You a little bit wet? Yeah. How about you, Tori? Are you wet? I don't think you're wet enough. You better go back out there.
Okay.
This is a perfect day to play it on. Don't go right in.
Okay, fine. You will hit me.
She got her good, didn't she? Are you okay, River? No running! No running! Oh, careful. Not too hard. Not too hard.
Okay, fine.
That one's a little bit harder.
Did your flash just go off, Dad?
Yeah. Did I ruin yours?
No, I just wasn't sure if it was lightning or your flash.
Oh no. Now you want to have to take another shower.
Around here, underneath there. We'll get some of those raindrops are coming down.
Oh, we got